So I know you see me eat TURON on my video, but now I'm going to try to make it. Try to make my own. I tried it when I was in the Philippines, and where was I at? Cebu? Okay, I'm going to try to make my own. I'm going to put the plantain on there. Then I'm going to place a couple slices of canned jackfruit, because in my country we don't have a lot of jackfruit. I'm sure you can find it, but I did not. So throw 2 slices of canned jackfruit on there. Got my plantain. I'm gonna throw my brown sugar. Well, not my brown sugar. Throw a little bit of sugar on there, just a little. Season to taste, just a little bit. And then I'm going to wrap him up. I'm going to wrap up my TURON. And people, my Princess Locker said, my people are telling me I say it funny. I sound cute when I say it. TURON. It's not TURON. All right, TURON. All right, so I'm going to close him up here. I'm going to close him up here. My best that I know. I just learned how to do this. But I'm going to wrap him up here. And here we go. We got a wrap TURON ready for cooking. Two, I'm going to cook these little bad boys. I'll cook my TURONs. I'm going to place it in the oil. Try to be careful, don't burn myself. There's one TURON in the oil cooking. There's number 2, dos. Number 3 TURON in the oil. Can't wait till these things are done. There you go, TURON. I'll do one more. And now for my finished TURON. A little crispier than Philippine TURONs. Try my TURON. It's hot. See that jackfruit? See that jackfruit in my mouth? That don't sound right, but TURON. Thank you.